In front of me is Realme GT Neo 3, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers on this device. So first of all, just open your phone dialer, go to keypad then, and enter a secret code, which is *#06#. And here you've got the device info, so both numbers are included. To exit it, just tap on OK. And now you can also open those numbers via settings. So at first, reach settings, scroll all the way down, and tap on about device. And here, go a bit lower, under status, you will be able to read serial number and also IMEI numbers. So this is it, that would be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.